Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our readwriting videos for this week. Today we are going to be doing our Fred finger spelling with some of our new words. Before we get started, can you get your jotter and pencil ready? Okay, who can remind Miss Brown what sound we are focusing on this week? That's right, U. U. Or in some words, it sounds like oo. Oo. Can you remember what 2 letters make up that sound? That's right, it's A and W. Excellent. Now, Miss Brown's got 3 words with our sound in it. Let's see if we can spell it correctly. Our first word is new. New. I got a new pair of shoes. How many Fred fingers does this word have? Thinking time. New. 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. That's right, 2 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. N, you, new. Your turn. New, new. Write it down. On we go. Okay, what is our first sound? Good job, down, Nobby, and over his net. What's our second sound? U, which is made up of 2 letters, 1 sound. Do you remember what they are? A and W. Remember to underline those special friends. Let's check to see if we are right. N, U, new. Your turn. New, new. Tick or fix. Superb. Okay, moving on to our second word. Are you ready? Our second word is blue. Blue. The wind blew the tree over. Blue. How many Fred fingers does that word have? Blue. Thinking time. 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 3 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. B, U, oo. It sounds like oo in this word rather than you. Let's pinch again. B, U, oo. Blue. Let's see if you can write it down. On you go. Okie dokie. First letter, first sound, B. Second sound, L. And the third sound, B, L, blue. Ooh, good job. And we know that it's made up by A and W, our special friend. Let's check and see if we're right. B, L, oo. Blue. Your turn. Blue. Blue. The wind blew the tree down. Give it a tick or a fix. Well done. Last one, boys and girls. Our last word is chew. 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 How many Fred fingers does this word have? Chew. How many Fred fingers? 1, 2, 3, show me. 2 Fred fingers. Let's pinch. Che, oo. Chew. Your turn. chew, chew. Write it down. Okay, what is the first sound? Ch. What makes up the ch sound, boys and girls? That's right, curly K and h. Ch. Ooh, chew. A and we. Ch, oo, chew. Your turn. Excellent, give it a tick or a fix. Well done, boys and girls. We have been able to spell our 3 words with our new sound in it correctly. Give yourself some snaps. Superb. I would like you to go on to do your reading of your Read Write Ink book for day 2 as well. Get practicing those speedy super sounds and those red tricky words and those story green words to help you with your reading. Miss Brown will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Read Write Ink. Bye, boys and girls.